everyone! In this video, we'll be going over how to access your Prima Perks loyalty account. First, you're going to look up chicabeauty.com. When you get to our landing page, go to the bottom left-hand corner and press Prima Perks Loyalty. Now it will prompt you to either become a member and join in or sign in. Press Sign In. Then enter your login information and press Sign In again. Now you will be on your My Account page. From here, you will go back to the bottom left-hand corner, and then you will see your points and ways to redeem and earn points. Currently, I have one reward available for a $2 off coupon worth 200 points. You can earn more points by placing an order or by following us on Instagram or liking us on Facebook. Be sure to add your birthday so we can celebrate and give you 1,000 points to your account. That's $10 off. To redeem your points, go to this screen and press Redeem. For every 100 points you spend is $1 off your order. Use the slider to put how many points you would like to spend, and then click Redeem. This will generate a coupon code that you can copy to your clipboard or press Apply Code for it to be automatically put on your cart. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see if you refer a friend, you and your friend get a $5 off coupon. You can do this by copying the clipboard or sharing it. If you have any further questions, please email us at info@chicabeauty.